PCIe USB expansion cards add extra high-speed ports for improved connectivity and performance. My today's video is about top 5 best PCIe USB expansion cards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yeeliya PCIe USB Expansion Cards. This PCIe USB expansion card is a practical upgrade for anyone needing more high-speed connectivity. With 7 USB 3.0 ports, 2 Type-C and 5 Type-A, it easily handles multiple devices at once, from keyboards and mice to external hard drives, printers, VR equipment, and more. The 5 gigabits per second transfer speed ensures fast data movement for HD videos, music, and large files, significantly improving workflow efficiency. Though actual speeds depend on connected devices, compatibility is another strong point. It works with PCIe 3.0 and 2.0 motherboards and fits X1, X4, X8, or X16 slots. It also supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows and Mac OS, with driver-free installation on Windows 10 and Mac OS 10.8.2 or later. Installation is straightforward, making it suitable even for basic desktop upgrades. Backed by a 2-year product care plan and 24/7 customer support, this card offers reliability, convenience, and excellent value for expanding your PC's USB capabilities. Now our second product is Ldlrui PCIe USB Expansion Cards. This PCIe USB 3.2 Gen 2 expansion card is an excellent upgrade for desktops needing modern USB-C connectivity. It adds 2 high-speed Type-C ports, delivering up to 10 gigabits per second bandwidth through the ASM3142 chip and PCIe 3.0 X4 interface. When using a single port, you get the full 10 gigabits per second speed, fast enough to transfer a 2 gigabytes file in about 1.6 seconds. Even with both ports active, it maintains an efficient 5 gigabits per second per port, making it ideal for external SSDs, VR headsets, gaming accessories, and creative workloads like video editing or graphic design. It's also compatible with PCIe 2.0 motherboards, making it a practical solution for upgrading older systems. Installation is simple, with plug-and-play support for Windows 8 and above. The dual power design, including optional SATA support, ensures stable performance for high-power devices while protecting against overvoltage and short circuits. Complete with accessories and backed by reliable technical support, this card offers speed, safety, and solid value for any desktop upgrade. Our third product is Fanblack PCIe USB Expansion Cards. The Fanblack 7-port PCIe USB 3.2 Gen 2 expansion card is a powerful solution for expanding desktop connectivity. With 4 USB Type-A and 3 USB Type-C ports, it easily supports multiple devices such as external drives, VR sensors, printers, webcams, and more. Designed for high-speed performance, the card offers up to 20 gigabits per second total bandwidth. Each group of ports shares 10 gigabits per second, and individual ports can reach up to 10 gigabits per second when used alone, ideal for fast data transfers and large file handling. Unlike external hubs, this internal PCIe card connects directly through the motherboard, ensuring a more stable and reliable connection. It delivers up to 5V/12A power without requiring an additional power adapter, though it supports data transfer only, not power delivery or video output. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS systems, installation is straightforward. Backed by a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical support, it's a dependable and high-performance upgrade for modern desktop setups. Now number 4, StarTech.com PCIe USB Expansion Cards. This USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 PCIe card is a premium upgrade for desktops needing ultra-fast USB-C performance. Powered by the ASMedia ASM3242 controller and utilizing PCIe 3.0 X4 lanes, it delivers blazing speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second, perfect for high-performance NVMe enclosures, external SSDs, and other demanding storage devices. File transfers are impressively quick, making it ideal for content creators, gamers, and professionals handling large datasets. The card also provides up to 15 W, 5V/3A, of power, allowing you to run and charge compatible USB-C devices without additional adapters. With multiple IN support, it helps reduce bandwidth loss when mixed-speed devices are connected through a compatible hub, while UASP support further enhances storage performance. Installation is simple with included full and low-profile brackets, and it's compatible with PCIe 3.0 X4, backward compatible with PCIe 2.0. It works seamlessly with Windows 8+, Linux, and Mac OS. Overall, it's a powerful, reliable solution for adding cutting-edge USB-C speed to any desktop. And our last choice is Eluteng PCIe USB Expansion Cards. This 4-port USB 3.1 PCIe expansion card is a smart and efficient solution for desktops with limited USB connectivity. Featuring 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, it allows you to connect multiple peripherals such as external drives, printers, scanners, game controllers, and more without hassle. With USB 3.1 Gen 2 support, it offers theoretical speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, enabling quick transfers of large files, HD movies, and music in seconds. Powered by the reliable NEC 720201 controller chip, the card ensures safe and stable operation. Each port has an independent capacitor for consistent power delivery, reducing interference and improving overall stability without requiring an external power adapter. The alloy construction and aluminum heatsink provide excellent heat dissipation, extending the card's lifespan even under heavy use. Compatible with PCIe X1, X4, X8, and X16 slots, and supporting multiple Windows versions, this card is a dependable and high-performance upgrade for any desktop PC. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.